Okay, number one. A particle moving along the x-axis is given, the velocity is given by that function. What is the acceleration? So what do I have to do to find the acceleration? Take the derivative. So v of t equals 3 plus 4.1 cosine of 0.9t. This was on a test in the past, and like way back when we first started talking about derivatives, and you didn't know how to take the derivative of this function analytically. You only knew how to take the derivative with the calculator. But now you do know how to take the derivative analytically. So a of t is what? Well, okay, 0, thank you. 4.1 times negative sine of 0.9t times 0.9. So chain rule, trig rules. We could simplify this a little bit to say negative, what is that, 3.6, 4.5? Am I right? No? Oh, that's 0.9. Okay, I'm sorry. Then what is it? 3.69? Sine of 0.9t. And then we're looking for the acceleration at t equals 4. So we just plug in 4. What'd you get? 1.6 what? Always 3 decimals? 633? Okay. All right. Are we good? Okay. That should be easy. Number 2, I know your brain, you're starting to try and look for shortcuts. Don't overassume things. But if I'm looking for the integral from -1 to 3 of 35 dx, what am I asking you to do, essentially? I'm telling you to find the area, and then you have to determine whether the area is going to be a negative or a positive value, right? So we're going from -1 to 3 of the function 35. So negative 1 to 3. So let's say this is -1. That's 3. So what kind of shape are we getting? A rectangle. What's the width of the rectangle? Okay, and I'm going to show this because later on it will matter. The width of the rectangle is going to be 3 minus -1. That's going to be important later on when we get deeper into this, to see it this way. And then what's the height? So we can say the length is 35. So the area is, so length times width, so 4 times 35, which is 140. So now we look at the signs of the integral. Is it going to be a positive or a negative value? Positive, because this whole thing is what? Above the x-axis. Okay. So that's that.